Okay, what's up, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're looking at numbers protocol, okay? Ticker symbol NUM. Let me know in the comments below what crypto you want to see in the next video, because I actually do viewer requests every single week. So if you want to get some very nice breakdowns of stocks, cryptos, or whatever you want, let me know in the comments below, okay? I've been charting up numbers protocol for at least a year or two now. All right. And we're gonna break it down, okay? All of the price action, okay? I've been giving you guys some valid things to look out for and be cautious of. I remember I got a lot of hate in the very beginning. This was November 2021 when I was posting these head and shoulders, right? These bearish setups. Had a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder. And what do you know? We came all the way down, okay, from 257 all the way down to $1. Okay. And then after there, we started breaking some of our support levels. Okay. We started to bear flag. Okay. What's known as a bear flag, right? You can look here. We had a very nice bear flag, clean breakout, and we hit the price target for the bear flag. We created another bear flag as a process of that, right? In the middle of doing that. All right. So we came down, had that move from that bear flag. Okay. Had another bear flag here and broke down again. If we zoom in a little bit more, these were 1 hour chart head and shoulders we were spotting with a head, left shoulder, right shoulder, boom, coming down, hitting the target. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, boom, coming down, hitting the target. Now, those are a little bit cleaner on the 1 hour chart again. We're looking at a daily chart currently, but that's so we can get a much better sense of the overall trend, right? So, there's been lots of head and shoulders, lots of bear flags in this one. Currently, we're looking at a bullish pattern. Okay. Now, it's not necessarily a chart symbol pattern. Okay. But what it is it's something known as bullish divergence. Okay. So I'm going to break it down for you guys and hopefully teach you something new in this video. And hopefully you can learn about it and start to use this actually in your own trading experiences, right? Maybe start off paper trading, start practicing and getting used to it. But all you need is the RSI, the relative strength index. Okay. So what you're going to look for is that divergence. What that means is that the coin price, the cryptocurrency, is going to have a divergence from the RSI, the relative strength index. All right. So if we zoom in here, we can clearly see we have a very nice uptrend where we're making a low, a higher low, and a higher low. Let's look at these ovals, these circles up here. We have a low, a lower low, and a lower low. Now, each time that we made a low and then a lower low, but created a higher low on the RSI, look at what happens. Okay. We have a short bullish pop that doesn't last forever. So, you have to take profit sometime along the way. All right. But if we look here, all right, it had a very nice rally and it went up 32% off of that first bullish divergence pop. Okay. Let's look again when we come back and retest that trend line again. All right. Because you can see here we hit the trend line. All right. We rally, we pull back, stock makes a lower low. Okay. And you enter in off the bounce of that trend line. Again, there's another very nice move. Okay. From the lows to the highs of that move was 44%. Right. So that's two opportunities where you could have got 30% or more on the trade if you were able to spot this bullish divergence. Right. Now it's super easy to spot. A bullish divergence is when you're going to be making lower lows on the price, but the RSI is making higher lows. And a bearish divergence is going to be, when you're making higher highs on the coin price, right? But the RSI is making lower lows, right? So it would be a downtrend line, right? So it would be something going down like this while the prices are actually going up like this. All right. Like let's say they're going up in this direction, moving that way. All right. And going up, 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 but we see the RSI going down, 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 right? That would be a bearish divergence. All right. So, we had the bullish divergence that I highlighted to you guys, brought to your attention. Okay. This is still a valid trend line that you can look to possibly, make some money off of if we continue to respect it, right? So if we pull back and you see we head lower than the current low of 0.0425, right? So set an alert there is what I would do and look to see if we push lower and keep an eye on your RSI trend line. All right. If we come down and test this level and you see that we're making a lower low, but we're potentially bouncing on this trend line here and it comes down, you can enter with a very nice risk to reward ratio, right? You'd cut your losses as soon as we break the trend line and start trading below it. But if we bounce off of that trend line, you should see some bullish momentum in the near future. Now, it's not going to last forever, as we went over, but both of the times here it offered a 30%. There's 30% right there. Okay. And then here, right here, we had again 46% right there on that move. So plenty of opportunities even in this crazy bear market. All right. So if you're not dollar cost averaging into your favorite assets or cryptocurrencies or stocks, and you still want to be active in the market, these are ways where you can come in, get in and out, and still be able to make some money during this bear market. All right. So hopefully you found something useful, informative, maybe learned something new in this video. I'd really appreciate it if you just hit the like button, share the video, spread it around to some friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right.